So earlier today, I showed you how to fix the smoke unit of the SD70M2 by MTH. But now, I want you to know how to fix the flashing, blinking ditch lights. Okay. In the front of the cab, after you take the shell off, there's basically four little plates that make a connection. So what do those plates make a connection to? They make a connection to these springs. Now, what's cool about these springs, if you can see them, is basically this little plate here. It moves up and down. So when you go to put your engine back on or back together, you have to make sure that you also make sure that the springs make a connection with these pieces over here. So I'm going to do that right now. Okay. Now the shell's back on, right? But notice how I only have like one light lit. What I need to do is I need to physically go in there and adjust the tension on this spring. And you can see it's a little bit low. So I just slide this forward like that. And now, ooh, it didn't work again. I had it working earlier. Keep trying until we get it right. So after several attempts, I actually had to go back and insert the screws in the bottom. Because what happens is, the screws on the bottom apply tension to the truck and the shell, and that causes compression. And that compression creates the circuit, which indicates that all the ditch lights, the headlights, in the front and back are working. So the other thing besides fixing the smoke unit that I was able to do today is I was able to fix the two ditch lights, the headlights, and you should see that when I hit the horn whistle button. Pretty cool. Alright, so now that my M2 is ready to go, you give him a little gas, and away we go.